Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to identify duplicate entries within Google Sheets. To begin, highlight the specific range of cells you wish to examine. Next, navigate to the top menu, click on Format, and then choose Conditional Formatting. You will notice the cells are automatically highlighted with a default color. To refine this rule, go to the Format Cells if drop-down menu, scroll to the bottom, and select Custom Formula Is. In the provided field, you need to enter a specific formula. I have one ready which I will paste here, but you can manually type it in as well. Once the formula is entered, you will see that only the repeated values are now highlighted. You can customize the appearance by picking a different fill color, such as red, from the formatting options. After making your selection, simply hit Done to apply the changes. Now all duplicate data is clearly marked for you. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.